$7,000 a month, 11 animals, 0 chickens. One of these 11 produces a single product that retails for $35 per ball at specialty grocers. It comes from an animal with 8% butterfat milk, more than double what a dairy cow produces. The operation is on 62 acres in New Jersey. That farmer sells directly to New York City green market buyers and runs a customer wait list. That number stops most people mid-video. It is coming at number 11. Here is what the animal that sent millions of people to the feed store earns. 20 hens, 16 dozen eggs per month, $5 per dozen at farmer's market. Gross, $80. Feed cost, $45. Net, $35 per month. That is not income. That is a feed subsidy. Every animal in this video out-earns a backyard layer on net income per square foot. 3 do it by a factor of 30 to 100. Here is what all 11 share. Not one requires a livestock license for the income pathway in this video. 3 fall completely outside the federal livestock classification framework. Everyone generates income independent of the commodity egg price that dropped 27% in early 2026. Angora Rabbits, worm castings, racing pigeons, chinchillas, exhibition poultry, specialty turtles, snapping turtles, oyster mushrooms, emu, American bison, water buffalo. 11 systems, every figure verified, every operator named, every mistake documented. Number 1. Angora Rabbits, $500 to $3,000 per month. The fiber rabbit and the meat rabbit are 2 different businesses. This is not the meat rabbit from this channel's first video. This is the breed that generates income from fiber, not flesh, and that most municipalities classify as a household pet, clearing zoning restrictions where standard poultry cannot operate. A German Angora yields 24 to 32 ounces per year, raw fiber at $10 to $18 per ounce, carded roving at 20 to 35, finished yarn at 25 to 50 per skein. A 30-rabbit operation grosses $1,500 to $2,500 from fiber alone before pedigreed kit sales at $75 to $200 each. Named operators: Bungalow Farm Angora. Aaron McLean sells through the IAGARB National Co-op. Blue Mountain Farm in Dauphin County, Pennsylvania, added an on-site fiber mill that processes other farms' fiber. The vertical integration move that doubled revenue without adding a single rabbit. Startup: $200 to $300 per quality breeding animal. 10 animals to start. The biggest mistake is buying $50 Craigslist rabbits. Poor genetics produce matted fiber that cannot be drafted, kills the animal through wool block, and cannot be sold. You buy cheap once and pay for years. Next, the organism that eats every other animal's waste and turns it into 2 separate income streams. Monthly feed cost, 0. Number 2. Worm castings, $2,000 to $5,000 per month. Texas Worm Ranch in Garland, Texas, Heather Rinaldi processes 10,000 pounds of vermicompost monthly. Customers include arborists, MLB turf operations, and cannabis cultivation. Worm Power in Avon, New York received a $900,000 USDA grant in February 2025. Bulk wholesale castings, 35 to 50 cents per pound. Retail bags, $2 to $5 per pound. Live red wigglers, $30 to $50 per pound. The multiplier most small operators skip. Liquid extract sold to cannabis growers and premium turf managers generates 4 to 8 times the revenue per pound. Worms are not livestock. USDA Veterinary Services has no jurisdiction over them. Interstate movement falls under USDA APHIS plant pest permits. No slaughter facility, no processing permit, no zoning classification. Startup: $500 to $2,000. Monthly net: $2,000 to $5,000. The biggest mistake is competing on bulk casting price against Worm Power's volume. The path to $5,000 per month is premium positioning. Before number 3, subscribe and hit the bell. This channel publishes verified income systems with named operators and real monthly figures every week. 2 seconds. Do it now. Number 3. The bird the USDA explicitly does not classify as poultry, and a single specimen that sold for $1.9 million. New Kim, a Belgian racing pigeon, sold in November 2020 for $1,900,000. Armando sold for $1,250,000 in 2019. USDA APHIS explicitly excludes pigeons and doves from the federal poultry definition. No NPIP testing. No mandatory AI surveillance. Named U.S. operators. Siegel Pigeons in Louisiana. Ed Minviel sells Janssen-based Pedigree racing stock. Pigeon Farms in Lakewood, California lists Medina at 385. 20 breeding pairs producing 8 to 10 offspring per year equals 160 to 200 birds annually. At 300 per bird for documented pedigree stock, 60,000 gross per year. The gap between $15 commodity birds and $300 pedigree birds has one explanation: documented race results. Startup: $2,000 to $8,000 for loft and pairs. Monthly net: $1,000 to $5,000. Next, the indoor animal that dies above 75 degrees Fahrenheit and sells for $1,000 per individual. Number 4. Chinchillas: $2,500 to $8,000 per month. Carolina Chinchilla Ranch, Tiffany McGee, North Carolina ECBC sanctioned judge, publishes 2025 pricing. Standard gray, 3 to 500. Black velvet, 5 to 600. Blue diamond, 1,000. Royal Persian Angora, 1,500 to 4,000. Show quality Angoras reaching 15,000 at national exhibition level. KGC Chinchillas in Mount Pleasant, Michigan won Reserve National Grand Show champion at the 2024 MCBA Nationals. JCRW Chinchillas in Lake Forest, California hold ECBC trainee judge certifications. The show circuit creates pricing leverage. Chinchillas die above 75 degrees Fahrenheit and cannot live outdoors in most of the country. That temperature constraint eliminates acreage. This runs indoors, stacked vertically in a climate-controlled room. No zoning conflict, no acreage requirement. Startup: $3,000 to $8,000 for caging and climate control. Monthly net for a 20 to 40 pair operation focused on rare morphs: $2,500 to $8,000. The biggest mistake is launching with standard grays. They compete in a market with hundreds of backyard suppliers. Rare morphs compete in a national market. Next, the one animal on this list that proves the chicken trap has been costing people money for decades. Not because chickens are wrong, but because there is a version of the chicken that pays 30 times more and that nobody tells beginners about. Number 5. Exhibition Poultry: $2,500 to $7,000 per month. The chicken that replaces your job is not a chicken you eat. An Ayam Cemani, the all-black Indonesian breed, sells as a show-quality adult for $2,500. Greenfire Farms in Florida, the original 2014 U.S. importer, sells day-old chicks at $69 to $99, hatching eggs at $18 to $22 each. NPIP certification unlocks interstate sales. Registration: $50 plus approximately 10 cents per bird annually for pullorum typhoid testing. That is the total compliance overhead. A 30-bird flock focused on Ayam Cemani and Svarthona equals approximately 780 sellable birds per year. At $50 average, 39,000 gross annually. Monthly net: $2,500 to $7,000. The biggest mistake is buying cheap Ayam Cemani from discount hatcheries. Most are crosses. Angora Rabbits, $1,500 per month. Worm castings, $2,500. Racing pigeons, $2,000. Chinchillas, $4,000. Exhibition poultry, $3,000. Specialty turtles. Coming next, $4,000. Combined across 6 systems at mid-range scale, $17,000 monthly gross. Not one requires acreage. Not one requires a slaughter facility. Hit the like button right now. It costs nothing and puts this video in front of the next person building this plan. Number 6 covers an animal with a federal restriction and a Lacey Act exposure that ends operations overnight if the paperwork is wrong, and nets $4,000 to $8,000 per month when done correctly. Number 6. Specialty turtles, $4,000 to $8,000 per month. CB Reptile in New Jersey, Tortoisetown, and American Reptile distributors ship nationally. CB Reptile in New Jersey, Tortoisetown, and American Reptile distributors ship nationally. Chinese box turtle hatchlings, $350 to $650. ornate box turtle adults, 300 to 600. The legal architecture is non-negotiable. The FDA 4-inch rule, 21 CFR 1240.62, in force since 1975, prohibits domestic sale of turtles under 4 inches carapace length as pets. Educational, export, and scientific sales are exempt. All domestic pet sales require documented captive bred lineage. The Lacey Act treats ambiguous sourcing as federal wildlife trafficking, not civil violation. A 30-female ornate box turtle operation. 30 females times 6 eggs times 70% hatch equals 126 hatchlings per year at $200 average, $25,000 annually. Diversified across 5 species, 80,000 to 150,000 gross, net 4,000 to 8,000 per month. Startup, 10,000 to 30,000 for pens, captive bred breeding stock, and incubators. The biggest mistake is acquiring any breeding stock without clean captive bred documentation. There is no recovering from a Lacey Act investigation. Next, the system the state of Louisiana changed in January 2025, and the states where the same income model still fully applies. Loggerhead Acres in the Missouri Ozarks, John and Skylar Richards, produces 5,500 to 5,800 alligator snapping turtle hatchlings per year at $75 to $200 each. Boudreaux's Turtle Farm in Ponchatoula, Louisiana, is the long-running diversified hatchling plus meat benchmark. Boneless snapping turtle meat retails at $22 to $28 per pound at specialty grocers including Cajun Grocer. A regulatory shift effective January 20, 2025, Louisiana prohibited new captive breeding of snapping turtles unless grandfathered before that date. Louisiana is closed to new entrants. Arkansas, Mississippi, Iowa, and Oklahoma remain the most accessible states. Arkansas, Mississippi, Iowa, and Oklahoma remain the most accessible states. All traded snapping turtle species are CITES Appendix 3. Time to hatchling sale size, 1 to 2 years. Time to meat weight, 5 to 7 years. Monthly net diversified, $4,000 to $10,000. Startup, $20,000 to $100,000. The biggest mistake is assuming pre-2025 Louisiana rules apply. Verify state classification before any purchase. Next, the one organism on this list that is not technically an animal and earns the slot by outperforming chickens on income per square foot by 40 to 80 times. Number 8, oyster mushrooms. $3,000 to $8,000 per month. Mycopolitan in Philadelphia, Tyler Case, produces 1,100 to 1,500 pounds per week from 10,000 square feet. With 20 restaurant accounts and a direct consumer CSA, R&R cultivation in Roseville, Minnesota, started in a basement laundry room in 2018, now runs 17 employees and 1,500 pounds per week supplying Lunds and Byerly's and Hy-Vee. Wholesale to restaurants, $8 to $10 per pound. Retail and CSA, 11 to 16. Wholesale to restaurants, $8 to $10 per pound. Lion's Mane and King Trumpet, $16 to $25 per pound. Monthly net for a solo operator in 500 to 1,000 square feet, $3,000 to $8,000. The cautionary case, Smallhold, raised $58 million, reached $90 million in valuation, and filed Chapter 11 in February 2024. Co-founder Adam DiMartino titled his post-mortem, "You Cannot Eat Technology." The dominant operational failure for everyone else is contamination. Trichoderma green mold causes 50 to 70% yield losses and cannot be recovered mid-cycle. Next, the only animal on this list with 3 simultaneous premium income streams from one harvest, and a demand driver created by a tick-borne medical condition that now affects 450,000 Americans. Number 9. Emu, $4,000 to $10,000 per month. Amaru Hills Emu Farm in Tennessee and North Carolina, Ngon Nguyen and Jay Winslow, is America's leading USDA-inspected emu meat and AEA-certified emu oil producer, featured at the James Beard House. Baylog Ranch in Azle, Texas sold out all 2026 eggs before the year opened. Demand exceeds current U.S. supply. One adult emu produces 30 pounds of USDA-inspected red meat at $15 to $25 per pound, 6 to 7 liters of crude oil at $150 to $250 per gallon wholesale, and a tanned hide at $50 to $150. Vertical integration into retail skincare converts 1 gallon at $150 wholesale into 16 8-ounce bottles at $30 retail. $480 from the same gallon. Alpha-gal syndrome, a tick-borne mammalian meat allergy now documented in 450,000 Americans, makes emu the only red meat those patients can consume. Amaru built their brand on this clinical reality. Startup, $15,000 to $50,000. Monthly net, $4,000 to $10,000. The biggest mistake, breeding pair speculation. Pairs sold for $45,000 in the 1990s and crashed to under $200. Build the customer first. Number 10. American Bison, $3,000 to $10,000 per month. North Star Bison, Lee and Mary Grace, Wisconsin, runs a 700-head herd direct to consumer. Wild Idea Buffalo, Dan and Jill O'Brien, South Dakota, crossed $1 million in documented revenue and earned regenerative organic silver certification in February 2024. Cook's Bison Ranch in Wolcottville, Indiana draws 5,000 agritourism visitors per year. Bison are non-amenable under the Federal Meat Inspection Act. Producers can use voluntary USDA or state inspection, and state-inspected non-amenable bison meat can legally cross state lines. Direct pricing. Ground bison $12 to $16 per pound. Ribeye $18 to $28. Tenderloin $22 to $40. One finished animal yields 300 to 320 pounds packaged. 3,000 to 4,500 net direct versus 1,500 wholesale. Monthly net with agritourism, $4,000 to $10,000. Startup, $25,000 to $60,000. Bison jump 5 to 6 feet from a standstill. Inadequate fencing is the documented #1 beginner failure. Number 11. Water buffalo dairy, $5,000 to $11,500 per month. A water buffalo produces 6 pounds of milk per day at 8% butterfat. 1 liter makes one 250-gram ball of Mozzarella di Bufala retailing for $35 at Whole Foods. U.S. pricing for buffalo mozzarella runs $60 to $80 per kilogram. Riverine Ranch, Brian and Courtney Foley, New Jersey, sells at New York City Green Market with a customer wait list. Oro Bianco Italian Creamery, Phil Gilio, Blanco, Texas, expanded to a 3rd retail location in 2025. The vertical integration math. 1 buffalo produces 1,800 pounds of milk per lactation. Wholesale at $5 per pound, $9,000 per animal per year. Retail mozzarella at $27 per pound, $20,000 per animal. The creamery license is the value multiplier. Monthly net for a 10-animal creamery, $5,000 to $11,500. Startup, $200,000 to $500,000. Rimini Mozzarella entered financial distress in 2024. Double 8 Dairy closed in 2023. The animal cannot save a dairy that cannot sell its product. The stacking system, $7,000 plus per month net. These 11 systems are not 11 separate income lines. Indoor 0 acreage, worm castings at $2,500, chinchillas at $4,000, Angora Rabbits at $1,500. Combined, $8,000 per month net. 0 outdoor space, 0 livestock zoning. Small livestock, emu at $5,000, exhibition poultry at $3,000, specialty turtles at $2,500. Combined, $10,500 per month, 2 to 3 acres. High ceiling, water, buffalo creamery at $7,000, racing pigeons at $2,000, worm castings cross-sell at $1,500. Combined, $10,500 per month, 10 to 15 acres. All 11 at verified mid-range scale. $9,600 gross per month. Net after feed and operating costs, $7,000 to $8,500 per month. The one animal missing from this list is the standard laying hen. Not because it fails, because nothing it does comes close to any of the 11 above it. That is the chicken trap. The advice was not wrong. It was incomplete. Start with worm castings, under $2,000, first income at 60 days. Add chinchillas once that operation is producing. Your worm substrate becomes your first chinchilla cage amendment at 0 cost. Drop a comment right now. Tell me which of these 11 is your first move. Every comment gets read. Subscribe and turn on the bell. The next video builds the exact 60-day launch sequence. That video builds now.